Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to place for tech tips and tutorials. Today we're tackling a common but frustrating issue: Windows update errors in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Before we dive into the fixes, let's understand what Windows update errors are and why they happen. Windows update errors can occur due to various reasons like corrupted updated files, conflicts with software, or incorrect settings. These errors usually come with codes like 0x800, 7000D, and so on. Don't worry, we're going to go through some proven methods to resolve these issues. Let's start with some basic troubleshooting steps. So step 1 is to start your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve update issues. Make sure you've saved your work, then restart your PC and try updating again. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. An unstable connection can interrupt the update process. Next step is to make sure you have enough free space on your hard drive. Windows needs some room to download and install. If the basic steps didn't work, let's move on to more advanced troubleshooting. Step 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Navigate to Settings. Then go to Windows Update, or simply search for troubleshooting. Then go to Additional Troubleshooter or Other Troubleshooters. Then tap on Windows Update and simply click on Run. Windows has a built-in troubleshooting for updates. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, Troubleshoot, and run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the prompts to fix any detected issues. Now the next step is to clear the software distribution folder. Press Windows plus R. Then type in services.msc and hit enter. Now find Windows Update. Then right click on it and select Stop. Next, go to the Windows software distribution. To do that, go to File, then go to Disk PC, go to Local Disk C, go to Windows, then go to Software Distribution and delete all the files in the folder. Then go back to service.msc and find Windows Update and start the service again. Now the next thing you can do is open the command prompt. To do that, simply type in cmd and run as administrator. Then type in sfc and then hit enter. Let the scan complete and fix any detected issues. If none of these previous methods work, you might need to consider reinstalling Windows. Before doing this, back up all your important data. So to do that, you need to go to settings, then on system, then go to recovery, then simply choose reset this PC. And that's all there is to it. I hope these steps helped you fix your Windows Update issue. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who might find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.